Are you ready to turn 2025 into the year you take control of your income? What if I told you there are 12 proven online business ideas that can help you start earning big, and all you need is an internet connection? Stick around, because I'm about to share the ultimate guide to online success. Hi everyone, welcome to your channel name. If you're looking for ways to earn money online and want a business that can thrive in 2025 and beyond, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to break down 12 of the best online business ideas you can start, no matter your experience or background. Make sure to watch till the end, because I'll also share some bonus tips to set you up for success. Let's jump right in. 1. Print-on-demand business. What it is: create custom designs for t-shirts, mugs, and more. No inventory needed. Why it works: it's low cost and scalable. Platforms: use Printify or Printful with Shopify to get started. 2. Blogging for passive income. What it is: write about topics you're passionate about and monetize with ads and affiliate links. Why it works: blogs can generate long-term passive income. Pro tip: focus on a niche like travel, personal finance, or tech reviews. 3. Dropshipping. What it is: sell products without handling inventory. Why it works: you only pay for what you sell. Tools: Shopify and Oberlo make it easy to set up. 4. Online coaching or consulting. What it is: offer your expertise in fitness, business, or life coaching via Zoom or other platforms. Why it works: people are willing to pay for personal, tailored advice. Pro tip: build credibility by sharing free tips on social media. 5. Affiliate marketing. What it is: earn commissions by promoting products and services. Why it works: there's no upfront cost, just your time to create content. Tools: join programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or CJ Affiliate. 6. YouTube content creation. What it is: create videos about your passions and monetize with ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Why it works: video is the most engaging content format right now. Pro tip: focus on trending topics or evergreen niches like DIY, tech, or education. 7. Social media management. What it is: help businesses grow their social media presence. Why it works: every business needs social media, but not all have time to manage it. Tools: use Buffer or Hootsuite to schedule posts efficiently. 8. Digital products. What it is: sell ebooks, templates, or online courses. Why it works: once created, they can generate income indefinitely. Platforms: use Gumroad, Teachable, or Etsy for selling. 9. Virtual assistant services. What it is: assist businesses with tasks like email management, scheduling, or customer support. Why it works: flexible and in high demand. Pro tip: start with freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. 10. Freelancing with AI tools. What it is: offer services like writing, graphic design, or video editing enhanced by AI. Why it works: AI makes tasks faster and more efficient. Tools: use ChatGPT, Canva, or Adobe Firefly. 11. Membership sites. What it is: create a subscription-based service offering exclusive content, tools, or resources. Why it works: recurring revenue ensures a steady income. Platforms: Patreon, Substack, or Kajabi. 12. Online arbitrage. What it is: buy products at a lower price and sell them online for profit. Why it works: capitalize on price differences across platforms. Pro tip: look for deals on AliExpress and sell on Amazon or eBay. And there you have it, 12 of the best online businesses to start in 2025. The online world is growing faster than ever, and there's no better time to dive in and build something amazing. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future updates. Let me know in the comments which business idea you're most excited to start.